It's a closet tour. I'm super excited, but I don't know if it's really considered a closet because it's kind of like my bedroom, my closet, and my office. Huh, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you anyway. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So, welcome to what I've been working on the past month in my bedroom. I'm gonna see if I can find before pictures to insert on the side. But I want to do this tour with you. I'm super excited. Because it's something I've been wanting for a very, very long time. Before we jump into it, my name is Dana. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited you're here. I have a blog called Get Up, Get Dressed. So if you're not familiar with it, definitely see over here because I'm going to link it and check it out, where I write different blogs. I try to write weekly, but with everything that has been going on, I've kind of lagged. But I did put up a blog post yesterday, so definitely check it out. It's called Art is My Therapy. And then I also have a thriving Instagram page that you can follow me at if you're interested. It's also going to be linked right there, and it's called Db.Lux, where I literally post every single day. And lately, I've been doing a daily vlog on my stories, and the pictures you see correlate with the vlog. So you're not seeing some content that was curated for you. It's literally just me living my life, keeping it real, because I just want to connect with you and show you I'm a real person, a real human, and every day I'm not just in some random dress. Yeah. Anywho, so let's get into it. I'm super excited. So what I ended up doing is I used to have my clothes in just a basic closet in my bedroom. I'll flip this around if it lets me. I don't think it will, so I'll flip myself around. On one of these basic type of closets. And I have way too much stuff, so I couldn't fit it all in there. And my poor husband had to he used half of this closet, but he really didn't have room for much of his things. So I was like, you know what? I need to get one of those awesome Ikea pack systems. So that's what I ended up getting. And if you search Ikea Packs wardrobe system on YouTube, you're probably going to see a million videos come up. But most people have their Packs wardrobe systems in white. And I did not want mine in white. I wanted mine in dark brown because most of my furniture in my bedroom is dark brown, or it's that gold metallic color. So that's why I went with that color. So what I ended up doing was I got 3 of the largest Packs wardrobes, and I'm going to go through them with you, and I'll show you how I organized them. And then I put my little office space here in the middle, and then this blank space is going to be where my mirror goes, but I haven't got it delivered yet. I'm still waiting. And then over here is my bed with my candles and different things. So yeah, but let's get into the deets. I'm super excited. Oh yeah, and this is what I'm looking like today. This is the OOTD. I literally have my hair up in a bun, and I just wrapped this vintage scarf around my head, and I have this cute little see-through lacy shirt from Zara, and these cut-off shorts that I wear almost every day because I'm just obsessed with them. And my house shoes. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a big house shoe wearer. But the shoes I would have been wearing or will wear today if I go out are these cute little loafers. So yeah, that's the look today. But okay, so going into the wardrobe, this is what we got popping. This is the first one, when you walk into my bedroom, this is the first wardrobe. And I hung this up because I wanted something that was a candle at night, because we do have blackout curtains. And I have it tied together with this cool little rope because I like it to be rustic and be together. And then the television's here. But I just wanted something that was I don't know, created a vibe. And I wanted my toiletries to be in a specific place because I didn't want it to be on my desk. So I have all of my toiletries here, and they're all organized. I have face masks and eyeglass cleaner, and then I have more face masks because if you follow me, you know that I'm obsessed with skincare, and I could probably make a video about all the different skincare I have. But This is the skincare that I actually rotate out, because you'll see on my desk vanity area, that's where I keep the items that I'm currently using. And if you watched my latest video on my skincare routine, you'll know that it's pretty simple, and you could definitely watch it and then you'll see what that's like. And then up here, the first wardrobe, I decided I wanted all my tops to be together. So all of my blouses and tops are here on the highest bar. And for my PAX wardrobe system, I got the biggest one, like the tallest one, because we have really high ceilings, because, you know, so I just wanted to maximize space. And then here I have a see-through glass top where you can pull out the drawers and have my jewelry, my watches, sunglasses and stuff. And then all of my different perfumes and things are here. And then in these drawers, I forgot, I think, oh yeah, I just have like a random older photo of myself. That was Thanksgiving, like many years ago. And just little random things, more crystals, because I like to collect crystals. What else is in here? More crystals and Alex and Ani jewelry. But for the most part, this is all like perfumes and then jewelry. And then I'm huge shoe buff. If you watched any of my other videos, then you would know that I love shoes, and I typically buy a lot of shoes on Poshmark. And I just have them all organized in here, doubled up. And then here on the bottom, I gotta move my tripod, sorry. I have this amazing little pull out so that I can like easily pull out, I can easily pull out and like pick cute flat shoes that I wanna wear for the day. So, yeah. And if you want, I could do like my shoe collection video. I was thinking about doing it, but I wasn't sure if people would like be interested. So just let me know. And then I did order a floor length mirror that's gonna go here from, where did we order it from? Wayfair. And it's gonna take a couple of weeks. They said 2 to 3 weeks. And here's my desk. I got this desk actually on Amazon for $100. Can you believe it? And it came with 2 stools. And down there is a shoe stretcher, because sometimes when shoes are too narrow, I'll stretch them because I have a wide foot. But I put my little shoe stretcher down there. And I typically put my tripod down there, but I have it open today because I'm going to be doing some more filming after this video. So it'll be more camera facing. But yeah, so, and this came with 2 gold stools, but they were so little and they were uncomfortable to sit on. So I bought this chair recently from TJ Maxx for $50, and I just threw a pillow in it so it'll be super comfortable. And then up here I have my little laptop, candles, makeup brushes, a little bit of makeup that I do own, and then my skincare that I'm using. So I have my hand sanitizer because I like to make sure my hands are clean whenever I'm doing anything with my skin. I have a toner that I'm using, my body oil, I have serums that I'm using. I have this vitamin C serum that I'm using now, castor oil because I like to put castor oil on my eyelashes, my homemade face oil, sunscreen, and then my signature nail polish because I am not a nail girl, but when I do paint my nails, it's either clear or it's that new color. I have a random gold pen in case I need to write any notes, and then like some makeup, and then my plants, and in my mirror, hey y'all. And then over here I have a photo that was gifted to me by my mother-in-law for my birthday, and I thought it was really cute in the space. And then since I don't have a lot of sun hats, I figure I can hang them on my wall, so I just have them hanging up there on a nail because I think it's cute and it adds a little something something. And then as we move over here, I have 2 more of the large PAX wardrobing systems that are the same size and dimension as the one I have over there. At the top, I have a few of my handbags, the ones that I feel like are cute and have character. And then I have a row of boots and sneakers up there in the first one. And then I decided to put all my trousers here and skirts, and some denim. And then in the first drawer, I made sure it was glass because I wanted to see my sports bras because I love to do yoga a lot. So in here I have all my sports bras, super organized. And then over here in the second one I have my leggings to match it. And then I have more shoes. More shoes that pull out here. And then drawers. And my drawers, like this one I think is all like t-shirts with like sports teams on them because my husband will buy me like a ton of the sports team t-shirts because he loves for me to wear them when he's watching his sports. on television. And then down here, I have my cover-ups for working out. So I have like my little t-shirts or tank tops that correspond with like my different sports bras. And then over here on this one, I have all of my dresses and rompers that are more dressy. Have them hanging. And then over here, I also have a glass top so I can see in and see my leggings for working out. And I have my leggings and some biker shorts in here. So it's easy for me to like pull a sports bra and the matching leggings to go with it. And then down here, I have more shoes, more really fun shoes. And then down here, I have more casual clothes. So I have like my loungewear, basic t-shirts and tank tops, zippies. So if I get a little cold, and more casual rompers. And then in this drawer down here, I have all my knitwear. So sweaters and different knits, because you're not really supposed to hang knitwear because it can stretch it out. So I just made sure I put on my little sweaters in those drawers. And that is pretty much it. This is how I was able to like organize all of my things. I don't have all my handbags out. I still have some of those up top here. Yeah, and I have like storage of like jewelry boxes and sunglass cases there because I didn't want to throw them out. So, because they're in there, so I just put them up there for storage. But most of my other handbags, this is my husband's area, his just dresser drawer area. Oh, and that's our little wedding photo. Yay. So I keep most of my other handbags up there because I couldn't fit them all there. And then my coats, because I do have a crazy coat collection, is in a different closet in my house. And I could go through that, but I didn't want to put coats in here because I figured like I can move it around. I can move them around as I need to. Like when the seasons change, just switch out my wardrobe. But that is my wardrobe. I hope you like it. Let me just turn this around so I can talk to you guys for another second. All right, but yeah, so that is my wardrobe and how I was able to design the space and incorporate it with my bedroom. Hopefully that helps you out if you're kind of in a similar situation where you have limited space and you need to kind of maximize it. And if you're anything like me, like I was a shopaholic and typically still am, but I'm trying not to shop so much because I want to be able to really enjoy the things that I have. And I felt like I kept on shopping because I couldn't really see all the things that I own. So this PAX wardrobe system really helps me to kind of stop, really look at what I have, really utilize what I have, wear it, love it, and not be so wasteful because I just don't like that. And I just want to be more mindful of how I'm spending my money and doing things, because me and my husband are going to be buying a house really, really soon. And to answer your question too, since we are going to be buying a house really soon, this PAX wardrobe system actually can travel with you. So it's super easy to put together and it's super easy to disassemble and travel with you as you grow into different spaces. So I'm really excited that I not only can utilize it while I'm here, but when we buy our house and we're getting it remodeled, we could stay here while it's being remodeled and I still have great space until I could move the PAX wardrobe systems over and utilize them. And the cool thing is too, you can also buy more. And I know when we move, I'm probably gonna buy more of them to like complete a whole like wardrobe room. But if you're anything like me, and let's say you have a room and you wanna make it into a wardrobe room, the PAX system is great for Ikea, and they have different colors and it's pretty affordable and it's great quality. And again, they come in many colors. I chose to get the dark brown because most of my things are dark brown. Plus I like the richness it adds because my walls are very like optic white. So I needed something that was contrasting that, and it goes with, I feel like, my vacation theme. Like I want my room to feel like I'm on vacation so I can sleep and rest and just, I don't know, take care of myself. And it be an oasis for my husband too. And it's so funny too, if your husband or your partner or if you live by yourself, if you don't like to see your clothes, you can also add doors to these. I didn't want to add doors because I love seeing my things, but if you're a person who is like, girl, I can't deal with that, I get it. They have many different door options to add on to. So I'll link it below so you guys can check it out if you're interested in it. I did not go to the store to pick any of these things up. I actually got them all delivered. So you can definitely go online, design what you want for whatever space you have, put the dimensions of your room in, and then once you design it, order it and get it shipped to your home. And they do safe delivery. I will say that the person who delivered it to my house did not come in my home. They dropped it off in a designated area that I told them to, and then all me and my husband did was we unpacked each item and then gently put it in our home in an organized way so we could build each thing together. And it took, I'm not gonna front, it took a whole day to build it, but it was worth it because now I feel like I'm super organized and it makes me happy. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if there's any other videos you would like to see regarding this, or if you have any questions that I can answer for you, because now that my things are organized, I can definitely bring you guys some videos on like my shoe collection or my bag collection, or just more styling things, especially as soon as I get this floor length mirror, because I could do better selfies and just more styling things, because I really love that. And I want to show you guys how you can utilize what you have in your own wardrobe without having to buy things, so you can save your coins, sis, and really wear and love what you have. So hopefully this is helpful. If you like this, please show me some love, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and also don't forget to follow me on my platforms. If you're already following me on Instagram, you've already seen me talk about how I'm filming this, so this isn't going to be a surprise to you. But if you want to be in the know and you want to keep up with the things that I do, definitely check me out there on my Instagram and also my blog at Get Up Get Dressed. And I just want to say thank you all so much, and I hope you're being safe and having a wonderful day. And I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.